Please insert the motor bar to the column first. When installing the bigger cross tube, the screws should be screwed in half of the depth. Tighten all screws completely. When installing the driving rod, first insert it into the end of the column without motor, and then use the hand rotating. Find a good angle then driving rod to insert at the hexagon rod at the end of the column with motor. Please keep the right side of the drive rod with motor about 1 inch. Please tighten the plastic cap on both sides after you set up the drive rod. When using cable tie to fix the wire, pay attention that the wire needs avoid the drive rod.